Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this Nelko label maker. So here we've got the manual. Here it is. We're going to charge it with USB-C right here. It does come with a cable, but you are going to have to plug it into a wall charger. So right here, this is the cutter. Now to open it up, you're going to open it up like this. Press that button over there. Lift this up. This is where the printer tape is. Okay, so this is the label maker labels. You're going to peel this off. That's going to start the label. But we actually want to take this little label off. You may have to, hopefully we can get it off of this. Leave that, yeah, try to leave that label attached to the paper. Now, all the labels are there. If you're not able to take that label off, just tear it right there. You don't even have to tear it. But now we're going to put it into the machine. So keep it nice and tight. Roll it up a little bit. We need some of it sticking out, and then we're going to hit the power button. All right. Now we're going to hit the power button. Now you do have to long press that it's going to beep at you. So press that in till it beeps. Now the green light is on. Okay, let's press it again now. Okay, there it's going to do the calibration. Now we can hit the cutter. There. So it calibrated it, the cutter is right, and it kind of printed some stuff out for us. Okay, so there's the app you're going to need in the App Store. Okay, so once you open the app, it says, let's connect now. So connect, turn the machine on. I've got a green light. There, it's found it, P21. It said the blue light, but I have a green light. So let's connect. All right, it beeped at me to connect. Looks like I gotta, maybe I can skip this. All right, now I got a blue light. Okay, so here's the app. Let's click the plus button, double click to edit. Let's type something out. Hit confirm. So I can do all kinds of different stuff here now. I can change the size. Let's take it a little bigger. And it's in real time. I like that. I can even position it on the label. I can italicize it, underline it. I got it on center. I could go left center. Let's go center. Pretty neat. Let's just hit print. I want to see this thing print. It's in a print preview. Now hit print. Wow. Let's hit cut. So it still had some of the leftover for ink from there. Let's hit print again. Nice. All right. Somebody said printed 2 labels. But yeah, let's take it off. That's a neat label. Wow. Yeah, let's put that right on there. It sticks good too. Okay, let's print another one. Wow. Okay, so this is the model P21. It does use Bluetooth. It is battery operated. Okay, let's do dimensions of the actual printer. 5 1/4. This weighs about 3 1/8. And thickness wise is about 1 1/8. Now the actual labels themselves, let's take some measurements. So they are about 1.5 inches, about 5/8 looks like, maybe a 1/2 inch. Maybe a 1/2 inch, yeah. They don't tear. They're kind of, they're not made out of paper. They're kind of made out of some kind of plastic. It dries quick. But the real thing is just how capable this is. I mean, you can move that around, on the label itself, all kinds of different fonts, That's pretty neat in real life how it does that. Go to font, there's all the different fonts. Yeah, this is going to be really neat to play around with. Okay, so this is the only button on it that actually, so you got to press it in and hold it. It beeps at you twice to turn off. So now there's no light. So let's press it till it beeps at us. So it beeps once, turns on. And now, okay, so it connects right away. Refresh. Yep, it's connected. All right, so it took a little bit, maybe 3 or 4 seconds, but it finally connected again, no problem. Now, if you just single tap it, it's like a calibration. It's going to calibrate the label and print off. There's the cutter right there. But if I got to press and hold it, it beeps twice. That's what turns it off. Now it's turned off. Make sure it's nice and charged. Yeah, this is kind of neat. I really do like it. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.